Hello traders, today we will take few trades. If you check here, I have opened USD JPY pair. In this pair, overall trend is a downtrend. So that's why I am continuing with the downtrend. If you notice here from the last 5 candles, if you notice the buyers are getting weak. So the sellers are getting strong. Maybe we could expect a red candle. So that's the reason only I am going with sellers here. And in the left side I don't have any chart as I checked before. So if you check, I have taken margin of safety also, because sometimes we may get retracements too. In the end I will show you my history also. Try to watch up to the end. Maybe you may get new points in this video. So whenever if you check the market, first of all try to check the trend, then you will understand how to trade, where to trade. If you filter the market first, then you may win easily. See here the buyers are getting stronger. Okay, it's overall a downtrend. Okay, let's see what will happen. See, our entry point saved us. See, at last it made a weak buying candle, and here also a 50-50 chances. Why? Because one, I can go with sellers because I have two reasons. One, it is a downtrend. Second thing, previous candle has rejected from the sellers area. If you check the trend line, every time it is respecting. Whenever market is reversing from that particular area, you are getting only selling candles. So in that logic, I am going with selling trade with margin of safety only. In these kind of situations, you should take margin of safety. Otherwise, sometimes you may lose because of your entry point. You may win because your entry point you may lose in these kind of situations only. See here one more thing, if this will be a buying candle, next time we should not go with sellers, we should go only with buyers up to the next level. See, at the end we got win. So in these kind of situations you should not take any kind of, without margin of safety easily you may lose. So with the margin of safety only I got win. Here again you can go with buyers. Why? Because before 2 times you have tried, still you got only buying candle, means no more sellers are interested up to the next trend line level. So up to that area, maybe after this candle you can expect selling candle at least for one. See how the market is moving. Sometimes these kind of clumsy situations you may face, because previously the market is moving in a downtrend, all of a sudden the market want to make an U-turn. In these kind of situations, sometimes market may not respect some levels, sometimes market will move sideways too. Later it will continue the market. So that's why you should check these all points, where you are trading, how you are trading. See, we got to win. Okay, here as I said before, now I should go with sellers here. Just now the market has been reached the level, and if you notice, it didn't make body stronger. Previous 2 weeks not even completed the body. So we have a weakness. So easily you can go with sellers here. So let me get an entry point. Yeah, okay, it's fine. I got an entry point, so I can go with sellers here. So if you notice these all points, you may get nice winning ratios. Why? Because every time, everywhere we can't predict the market, but sometimes there will be weakness in the market. We can find and we can get alert on that particular points. On that time you can decide whether to trade or not, because you may have 50-50 chances of the situations. So try to follow which is favorable for you. Okay, here left side we have a buyers area where was previous 3 candles have been entered. So can I go with buyers here? Yes, I can go with buyers here for 1 candle at least. So easily I am going with buyers. Even if you check, there is no levels at all. So I have adjusted the trend line. If you check, previous candle was closed exact at the level. So that's the reason only we have entered with selling candle. And now there will be a buying candle. In the left we have a level. So that's why. Which means previous, just now, the momentum where it has been started off the 3 candles, 3 weak candles, at least you can expect 1 candle. Here from the buyer's area already trendline breakout. Okay, if possible next candle I could go with buyers again. See left side I don't have any kind of levels to plot to understand also. I should follow blindly. This will be 50-50. Sometimes it will be a red green pattern also. Why? Because market is indirectly you can see sideways. So I am trying to go with buyers here because left side we have a buyers area. So maybe if possible, okay, let me take margin of safety to once more. Okay, waiting. So if you have any doubts, try to send the screenshot in the Telegram. We will update you easily. You can understand the points and you can improve your trading style. See here the sellers are getting, maybe it could be a red green pattern. See was 50-50 chance. Sometimes we may get weak candles, sometimes we may get strong candles in these kind of situations. So this time we got no luck of what, so that's why we got loss here. Okay, what is the next candle? You may think this is a strong candle, again you can go with sellers. No chance, you should go with buyers here because the market is respecting a pattern. So I will only go with buyers here. So if you check these all points, you will understand the market better. By taking one candle as a confirmation, we can't go blindly to the downtrend or uptrend. But by confirming one or 2 points, you can trade confidently. So these all points required for the valid trade. If you don't have valid points, then try to avoid the trades. Why? Because we should not trade everywhere. Sometimes luck may favor, sometimes may not. See previous candle, it was a strong candle. Okay, we'll change the chart and check here. Okay, here if you notice, here I have a trend line here. Okay, let me adjust. Okay, I have a trend line. Just now the market is respecting the trend line and making a new high. Here my next resistance is here. Okay, up to this area I could go with buyers here. Okay, see here we got win, but we will stick on the previous chart. Here maybe 50-50, so I won't take trade in this pair. Here I have a doubt, so I will take 2 minutes trade for buying because the level is far. Maybe at least I could get a weak candle, but with margin of safety only, I am going with buyers for 2 minutes. Sometimes we should not take chance, so that's the reason only I have taken 2 minutes trade. Okay, let's stick on this trade. Our next sellers area is in the top horizontal level, which I have plotted over here. So every time, every candle we can't predict. Sometimes it will be an error candle, or it will be a weak candle, or it will be a doji candle. So if you really have confidence that market will go up, means yeah, you can take 2 minutes or 3 minutes easily. So here that's the reason I am going with 2 minutes easily. See, that is a weak candle. So anyways, it's a buying candle. In the middle you got an hammer, which is a continuation sign. The next level is in the top, so again we can go with buyers here. So that's why only every time, everywhere we can't predict. If we predict sometimes it may win by luck, sometimes it may not. So that's the reasons every time. So don't trade everywhere. If you are really interested in my premium course, you can join by knowing the price. Okay, see the buyers are getting stronger. 1, we have a momentum. 2, we have a hammer candle, and 3, the level is far. 4, there is still gap, so market will easily fulfill, and market is making an U-turn, so easily you can win this trade. Okay, now you have a question. Just now the market has been breaking. Both are strong momentum. Buyers area breakout, sorry, sellers area breakout. What you can expect? You should expect sellers here. Okay, it's too late. Okay, sometimes the market make a retracement and it will go up. Let's see what will happen, but this will be a selling candle only. Why? Because left side you have a strong momentum selling area, so you should respect that particular area for at least one retracement. Here what is the situation? Okay, here red green pattern is just now has been completed. If this candle is a buying candle, I will next go with buyers. See here the sellers are getting strong. We'll see what will happen. So try to trade with valid points only. Try to trade at valid levels only. See, finally we got win by prediction. We got loss by our entry point. Okay, it will happen sometimes. Okay. Okay, still we can go up for the buying trade. Okay, no entry because just now the late entry has been done. So the no entry point we will check in the previous chart. Here, yeah, I can go with buyers. Why? Because if you check here, previously you got a green red pattern. Finally, the market has break the pattern. So it was a strong. So easily you can go with buyers again. So that's the reason only I am going with buyers. Easily you can trade here. So if you understand the market, opportunities will be available easily. So try to open one or two pairs, try to check the market first of all, later try to trade at the levels. Then you may get nice winning ratio easily. See, finally the buyers have been entered. Okay, so we got win. Okay, we'll check here. Here if you notice the left side we don't have any level. Yeah, I'm waiting for the opportunity. Okay, okay, here I don't have. Yeah, here I can go with sellers. Okay, why I am going with sellers means, okay, let me get an entry point. Okay, I have taken entry point. Here I will draw a trend line for you from the top. Okay, okay, let me adjust. See, if every time if you notice from this trend line there are entering only sellers, so at least you can expect one candle, and previous there was a momentum, and after one retracement again you can continue with the momentum. So that's the reason only I am going with sellers here, but my entry point is late. But overall it's a downtrend. Yeah, we can win easily because left side there is no level, so market may fulfill. Yes, now again I can go with buyers. Here you can check my history also. Okay, let me continue the trade. Okay, we will take two more trades. Here there is a gap. Okay, I will continue again with buyers once again. Sorry, sellers. Why? Because the buyers area is far and market is coming from a selling area, which was respecting every time by a trend line. See, here if you notice the next level, let me plot for you, is here. Already that level is respected by the candle, again retesting. So this time it will break easily. Already it was respected from that level support area, and market rejected from up to the trend line, and again market is trying to go down. Why? Because market is making an U-turn, which was a downtrend. So where is my next level? Here we got win. It's okay, we will again continue with sellers only. Let me check whether there is a level or not. Yeah, there is a level. Let me adjust. Okay, it's all good. Okay, let me adjust a level for you. Okay, I will show you my level. Here is my next buyer's entry point because it was a strong area. My next strong area is here. Still there is a gap, and previous candle was a strong candle, and we are in a downtrend. So easily we can win here. So if you have these kind of valid points, you can trade, you can get valid trades easily. So try to understand the market first of all. See how strong the sellers are. Okay, one last prediction. Okay, what is the next candle? Left side we have a strong buying area. Just now the market has breakout. So can you expect at least one candle? Yes, you can expect one candle at least. Why? Because left side you have a strong buyer's candle. Left side you have a strong buying area. So easily you can make a reversal at least for one candle. So easily you can make a reversal here. So that's the reason only I'm going with buyers. You can check my history also. Okay, here if you notice the sellers are trying strong, but you can expect at least one candle. Sometimes these kind of momentums will break easily the levels, but If you notice in the left side, equal power is in the left side, so that's why you can expect at least a reversal. So easily you could win here. Okay, you can check my history. One is late entry, one is really loss. Okay, fine. Now the market is closed at the buyer's area. Can you expect? Yeah, as I said before, one or two retracements, but I can go one more buying candle here. So we can go with buyers again. This is my last trade, and I will try to close the session after the winning trade. Okay, so finally, if you really have valid points, take trades, valid levels. Try to understand the points, where I am trading, how I am trading. So if you have any doubts regarding my explanation, try to ask. I will make a proper way in better also. So if you really have any doubts, you can message us. Easily you can get answers. So finally the buyers are getting stronger. So maximum try to trade at levels only. Okay guys, I think you have got nice session. You have seen my history also. Okay, thank you.